How to funnel more qualified leads and referral traffic to all your marketing channels with a giveaway. Giveaways, sweepstakes, and competitions are all great tools that you can integrate into your complete internet marketing plan to move qualified leads deeper into your conversion funnel. In this lesson, we are going to show you how you can funnel more qualified leads and referral traffic to all your marketing channels with a giveaway campaign. Setting up a giveaway campaign the easy way. The best way to set up giveaway campaigns is by using contest platforms. In this lesson, we are going to use Gleam, a contest platform that allows you to run unlimited competitions for free. Go to your Gleam account after signing up and click on the New Competition button. Now enter the name of your new contest in the name field. Here you can add an actionable phrase and include the name of your prize. This will help you encourage users to participate and share the contest. Now select the start and end dates of your giveaway campaign using the calendar functions on this screen. Now click on the User Details tab and paste your Facebook page's URL in the Allow Users to Like a Facebook Page field. Now click on the How to Enter tab. On this page, you will be able to select how contestants will earn their entries. As you can see here, you can refer traffic to all your marketing channels as entry methods. For example, a user that reaches your contest through your website will have to visit your Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram profiles to earn additional entries. This strategy allows you to generate lots of referral traffic to all your channels. In this example, we'll add website visit, YouTube visit, Facebook visit, Instagram visit, and Twitter follow as entries to our campaign. Let's start by adding the website visit entry. First, click on the Visit a Page option from the Entry Method menu. Now move over the Visit a Page column to customize this entry. Start by adding a call to action, inviting leads to visit your website into the title field. Now enter the number of valid entries participants earn into the Worth Number of Entries box. Now check the Mandatory option. Now enter your website or landing page URL into the Link URL field. Now enter CTA text into the Button text field. Now let's add the YouTube entry. Click on the YouTube icon. Now click on Visit YouTube Channel. Enter your YouTube channel URL into the Channel URL field and check the Mandatory and Require Authentication options. Let's now add the Facebook entry. Click on the Facebook icon. Now click on the Visit on Facebook option. Now enter the URL of your Facebook page in the URL field, select the Like the Page option below, and check the Mandatory option. Let's now add the Twitter entry. Click on the Twitter icon. Click on the Follow on Twitter option. Enter your Twitter handle in the username field and check the Mandatory box. Let's now add the Instagram entry. Click on the Instagram icon. Click on the Visit Instagram Profile option. Enter your username or Instagram profile URL in the Username or Profile URL field, and check the Mandatory box. As you can see, there are several other marketing channels that you can add as entries, including LinkedIn, Pinterest, Snapchat, and Twitch. Other entry methods that will help you to increase referral traffic and generate leads include Viral Share and subscribe to a newsletter. Now click on the Prize tab. Enter the name of your prize in the title field. Select the number of winners you'll pick and enter a description of the prize. Now click on Save to finish creating this giveaway. And that's it! You can now share this contest by embedding it to a page on your website, by sharing the giveaway's landing page URL, and by adding a Facebook tab for this giveaway on your Facebook pages. The world of internet marketing is always advancing and changing, and platforms update their services. People change their online habits, niches grow, and new trends emerge all the time. That is why you need to develop a plan that is flexible enough as to help you adapt to these changes without you having to go back to the drawing board. Today, we are going to show you the steps you'll need to take to develop a complete internet marketing plan that will work in 2019, 2020, and beyond. Step number 1. Define your audience and its needs. The first step you have to take is to learn more about your audience. Knowing your audience well is what will let you target the type of internet user that is more likely to become a customer for your business. The first thing you have to do is find out where your audience hangs. Start by doing a keyword research on Google using niche keywords, product keywords, and search terms. Then take note of the top places in search results. It might be forums, blogs, or e-commerce sites. Then do the same keyword research on social media. You can do this keyword research on all social media platforms you want. Now that you find where your audience hangs, start monitoring their conversations. Focus on their sentiments, their pain points, and their opinions about the products or services that you offer. In other words, find out what it is that your audience wants of your brand so you can offer that. Lastly, you have to create a buyer persona. A buyer persona is the profile of your potential customer. To build a buyer persona, you need to find the average age of the people in your audience, the dominant gender in your audience, their buying habits, their online activities, their average level of education, their demographics and locations, what brands they discuss, and what other products, services, and niches they're interested in. Building a buyer persona will help you to better target organic traffic with your content, as well as to define audience targeting when running paid advertising campaigns. Step number 2, segment your audience. And once you've defined your audience, you'll find that there are different types of people in it. You have to add each one of these groups of people to a segment. All you have to do is to create audience segment lists. Most marketing and advertising channels allow you to create and save audience segments, and you can also save them to a spreadsheet. Step number 3, develop a conversion funnel. You have to develop a conversion funnel if you want to drive conversions more effectively. With a conversion funnel, you can plan how you will drive a visitor to your content pages, from your content pages to your mailing list, and from your mailing list to your sales pages. To create a conversion funnel, you have to define at what point the customer journey starts. For instance, your customer journey could start on your blog, when a potential customer is searching for information about products related to those you offer. Next, you have to define the consideration stage. This is the point in which the customer starts considering your products and offers. At this stage, your potential customer might start engaging more with your brand across your channels. Next, you have to focus on the desire stage. In this stage, your potential customer actively likes your products, yet hasn't made a purchasing decision. He might need to further compare the quality, price, or other attributes of your products to other options. In this stage, you have to make an effort to capture your potential customer by offering them deep discounts, free trials, or samples. The next stage is the action stage. Here, your potential customers made the decision to buy from you, and your job is simply to make the buying process as seamless as possible. The last stage is the nurturing stage. If the customer liked your product, then he can become a repeat customer. In this stage, your job is to nurture your customer with perks, gifts, promotions, and exclusive offers. Step number 4, implement a smart content marketing strategy. If you're already using content marketing, it might be time to implement some optimizations to achieve a smarter content marketing strategy. Whether it's video, articles, or visual discovery, some elements that you have to implement to enhance your content are: appeal to human emotions to make your content more relatable and engaging. Use humor, drama, and nostalgia to hit your audience's core emotions. Optimize all your content for search by using the right type of keywords. Optimize all your content for all types of devices and operating systems. Step number 5, develop a cross-platform flow. Make no mistake, all your content should be released on all your marketing channels, but you have to do it intelligently. If you only post the same message across all your channels, then it won't work. What you have to do is to optimize your message for each channel and to link your content from one channel to another. For example, You can tease a piece of content with a brief message with a single image on Twitter, and add a link to the full story on Instagram, where you'll add a longer piece of content and a more captivating image inviting users to follow the link in the bio, where you can direct them to a complimentary content piece on your website. Step number 6. Refine your email lists. Pay attention to those email subscribers that are opening and interacting with your emails. Add them to a new list and send them emails with more offers and actionable elements. Step number 7. Audit and Optimize. Establish a complete internet marketing calendar where you define a date to audit your campaigns. Check, test, and benchmark your results on this date and make modifications on areas where improvements are needed. For example, if one of your articles is getting low bounce rates from social media traffic but a low number of visits from search, it might mean that you need to modify the article headline and metadata.